linear equations in two variables, and in the chapter we discussed the graphical method. Okay, the graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equations. Okay, means through the graph we should obtain the solution. Okay, through the graph we obtain the solution. How to obtain? Okay, in last class I am giving three conditions. Okay, those three conditions are very important. By knowing those three conditions, okay, we can easily conclude a particular equation is having how many solutions. Otherwise, otherwise, okay. In the first case, okay, I am giving. Okay, I given the three conditions. Okay, what are the three conditions? One is when two lines are consistent, when two lines are inconsistent, and the third condition, it is dependent pair of linear equations. Consistent, inconsistent, dependent pair of linear equations. And for each and every one, I was giving the examples also and conditions. What is the condition when two lines are consistent? Yes, anybody? When two lines are consistent, what is the condition? Very simple now. Okay, by knowing the condition, we can easily conclude. In last class, I given.
A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by
Yes,
B2.
A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. Okay, A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. Okay. Here A1, A2, B1, B2 values we know. Okay, A1, A2 are the coefficient of X. These two are coefficients of Y. Okay, when two lines are consistent, therefore, what is the property of lines? Archit Kumar? Archit Kumar Ji.
Intersecting.
Sir,
Archit
the
Kumar
line
Ji.
intersects in the graph.
Yes. Okay, the lines are intersect. Okay, means this is the graph, this is X and Y axis, means we obtain this type of graphs like this. Therefore, two lines are intersect at a particular point. Okay, this is about consistent. Inconsistent means what is the condition? That is
A1 by
A1 by
A2 is
A2
equal
is
to
equal to B1 by
B1 by
B2.
B2
Next
is equal to C1 by C2.
is equal to not
Is not equal to.
Is not equal to.
yes, does not equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, when lines are inconsistent means two lines are having no common solution. Okay, the equations of lines are having no solutions. Therefore, those equations are inconsistent. In this case, the lines are parallel. Okay. Dependent pair of linear equations means what is the condition? It is very simple.
A1 by
A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2.
Okay, this is the condition. Dependent pair of linear equations. In this type of graph, the two lines are coincide each other. The two lines are coincide. Okay, coinciding graphs. Okay, you obtain for this type of linear equations. Okay, consistent, inconsistent, dependent. Okay, in the problems what they're given, you should be know these three conditions. Okay, I think in last class we solved one problem actually. Yes. One problem may be over. Check graphically whether the pair of equations x plus 3y is equal to 6. I think that is over. Yes. If
Yes, sir.
so, solve them graphically. Okay, you can draw the graph. And the next equation, sorry, next problem I am giving. Okay, please write it. Graphically, write graphically. Find whether the following pair of equations graphically find whether the following pair of equations has no solution, comma unique solution, comma unique solution, or infinitely many solution. Or infinitely many solution. Just write the equations. 5x plus 8y, this is 8. 5x plus 8y plus 1 is equal to 0, and 3x minus 24 by 5. 24 by 5y plus 3 by 5 is equal to 0. Okay. See, okay. We have to find out what they're given graphically. Okay, they're given graphically. Graphically. Means we should draw the graph. Okay, that is compulsory. For the find whether the following pair of equations has no solution, comma unique solution, or infinitely many solutions. Okay, they are given 3 options. Okay, and also they are given 2 equations. Solution, right? The given equations are, what are the given equation? 5x minus 8y plus 1 is equal to 0, and this is called it as equation 1, and the second equation is 3x minus 24 by 5y plus 3 by 5 is equal to 0. Yes, these are the 2 equations. Just to see this, the coefficient, mute your video, mute. Okay, just see this. Equation 1 is simple equation. Yes, because the coefficients are whole numbers. Okay, therefore there is no problem. But see the second equation, x coefficient is okay. Okay, 3, whole number. But the coefficient of y is, this is a fraction. Okay, there is a fraction, and coefficient of c is also fraction. Okay, therefore how to do this? How to do this now? Now we should make the coefficient of y and the c value. Okay, this is a value, b value, c value. Coefficient of y and the c value become whole number. Okay, ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ whole number ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, you can take LCM for all the denominators. Okay, okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, here 24 ಇದೆ, 24 divided by 5. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 divided by 5. Multiply this equation by 5. Is there any changes in the equation? ಏನಾದ್ರು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? We can multiply both LHS and this RHS by 5. Multiply by 5 on both sides. Okay, multiplied 5 by 5 on both sides. Multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? This 5 into 3x minus 24y by 5 plus 3 into 5 is equal to, what is the value of RHS? What is the value of RHS after multiplication?
0.
0.
Zero.
Therefore, you can write it 0.
5.
Now multiply this LHS. 5 into 3, it is 15. 5 into 3, it is 15. Here there is a minus. Here plus. Plus into minus. Minus 5 into, therefore it become what I am showing in detail. 5 into 24 divided by 5. 5 gets cancelled. Remaining it is 24. Okay, therefore minus 24y. Here plus, there is no problem. We can multiply 5 into 3 by 5. Okay, 5 into 3 by 5. Therefore 5 and 5 gets cancelled. Remaining it is 3, that is equal to 0. Okay, do you know how I did this all mathematical steps? Is there any doubts? If anybody having doubts means ask.
That is 15x now, sir.
15x, yes, correct. 15x this is. Okay, 15x minus 24y plus 3 is equal to 0. Yes, what is the next step? Anybody? Here 15, here 24, here 3. What is our next step?
Take 3 common.
S.
Common.
We should make the equation simple. We should make it as simple. Okay, here 24 big value, here 15 big value. Therefore, 24 also divided by 3. This 15 also divided by 3. Therefore, divide the equation by 3. Divide the equation by 3. Okay, equation divided by 3 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 15 by 3x minus 24 by 3y plus 3 by 3 is equal to 0. 15 by 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? 15 by 3,
5x.
that is 5x minus 24 by 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is
8x. 8y.
8y plus 3 by 3 means
1.
1. That is equal to 0. This is equation 3. Correct? Nodi illi, actually this is the given equation. Okay, after all the simplification, we obtain this equation. Just see equation 1 and equation 3. Just equation 1 and equation 3. Both are same, is it right? Okay, just see equation 1 and equation 3 are same. Okay, therefore what is your conclusion? Yes. What is your conclusion? Equation 1 and 3 means equation 1 and 2 are same. 1 and 2 equation same idre, what is our
That is
conclusion?
the dependent pair of linear
Yes.
It is a
both are-
dependent pair of linear
Yes,
equation.
yes. They are dependent pairs of linear equations in two variables. And there are how many solutions? Dependent pairs of equations or dependent pairs of pair of linear equations. How many solutions?
Infinite.
Yes, they are infinitely many
Infinite
solutions.
solution.
Okay, see that conclusion, it is very important. Okay,
Infinitely many.
just write the conclusion. At the after doing all these steps, equation 1 and 3 are same. 1 and 3 are same. Therefore, the two lines are dependent pair of linear equation, in two variables. Therefore, the equations have infinitely many solutions. This is the answer. Therefore, the equations have infinitely many solutions. Okay, write it. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ problem ಇದು? Okay, any doubts regarding this
Yes, sir.
problem? And in the next exercise onwards, we should construct the equations. Okay, means they're given problem in the form of sentence. Okay, sentence problem they are given, and we should construct the equation. Next, we should draw the graph. Okay, in previous classes and all, we did this type of problems. Okay, just write these problems. Okay, exercise number 3.2. Okay, write it. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. Write first problem only. Mathematics quiz. Hello. ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ತರೀಕೆರಲ್ಲಿದೆ 93. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಇನ್ಸೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ 5 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ. ನಿಮ್ದು ಗಾಡಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಿಮಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ ಅವನು. ಅದೇ ಬೇರೆ ಹೊಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಹ್ಮ್ ಹೌದು. ಹೌದೌದು. ಎರಡು ಗಾಡಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, 2 ಗಾಡಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ ತರನ ಯಾರೋ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಕಲರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಗಾಡಿ. ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೋಮವಾರ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಬ, ಶನಿವಾರನ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ನಾನ್ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು, ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಸೋಮವಾರ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ತಾಳ್ರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿರೋದು. ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು. Okay. This is the first problem. What they are given: form the pair of linear equations. Okay, in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. Okay. Hey, switch on your video, everyone. Prashant, Mandara, Manoj, Deepika, Drishya, Archit Kumar. Why? What is the problem? Huh? Varsha Singh. Switch on your video. Okay, see, form the pair of linear equations. Okay, see here, form the pair of linear equations. Okay, means we should write the linear equations in the following problems and find the solutions. We have to find out the solutions graphically. Okay. See, what is the first problem they are given? Is 10 students of class 10th took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Okay. Here mathematics quiz. Okay. Mathematics. Okay, in a school, they are arranging mathematics quiz. Okay, in our school also, they will arrange. Okay, last year you all participated in the mathematics quiz, science quiz, general knowledge quiz, like that. Okay, in every school, okay, they are arranging. But in our problem, what they are given, class 10th students participating in mathematics quiz. Okay, what is the total members or what are the total students participating in mathematics quiz? Total students
10.
10.
10.
Okay, they are given already in the first sentence. They are given 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. Okay, in 10 students, okay, boys and girls. Okay, boys and girls both are including. Here, home find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Means in the given 10 members, how many girls are there and how many boys are there. Okay, we have to find out. Okay, first what we should be right, the number of boys, is X, the number of girls, Y. Okay, we don't know. Okay, number of boys participating in the quiz, it is X, and the number of girls, it is Y. Okay, now you should tell me the linear equations. As what is the first linear equation? As anybody? As
X plus y
anybody?
is equals to 10.
S.
X
Yes.
plus y
Y
is equals to 10.
equals to
Correct.
X plus 4.
Is X plus Y is equal to 10. ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತಿದು? This is equation 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ X ಅಂದ್ರೆ number of boys, Y means number of girls. Girls plus boys, okay, add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು? 10 ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay, because in the first sentence they are given already. 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. Therefore, we obtain one equation. Finished. In the second equation, how to obtain? Second sentence, you can see, if the number of girls is, okay, just say, if the number of girls is, how many number of girls participating? Yes, Number of girls it is
Y.
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 Just see the sentence. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of
4
boys.
plus X.
S again, repeat it.
X is y is equals to x plus 4.
Yes.
4
Y is
plus
equal
6.
to x plus 4. Okay, that is the right answer. Because the number of girls is 4 more than boys. Okay, boys ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗಿಂತ 4 members, girls are more. Okay, y is equal to x plus 4. Now, what is our next step? Graphically. Okay, graphically, we obtain solution. Okay, graphically, we obtain the solution. As all of you take a graph, now we should construct a table for this equation and for this equation. Consider x plus y is equal to 10. Therefore, y is equal to 10 minus x. Okay, y is equal to 10 minus x. And you can construct the table. Take 2 values are enough. Yes, tell me, what is the value of x? You can give in the first equation. X is equal to
5.
x is equal to, you want to give 5 now?
5.
Okay, x is equal to 5, you can give. What is the value of y?
5.
5. Okay. Next, what is the value of x? Next value?
4.
Simple. X is equal to 0, you can give. Otherwise, okay, you can give x is equal to 4 also. That is also possible. Okay. X is equal to how much you can give? 0 you can give. Okay, easiest value. Therefore, y is equal to 10. Finished. Okay, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 10. X is equal to 5, y is equal to 5. Therefore, first equation is completed. Okay, second equation is y is equal to x plus 4. Therefore, construct the tables. S, what is the value of x? First value?
6.
First value? 6, it become more.
0.
Okay, x is equal to 0 you can give. Therefore, x is equal to 0 means y is equal to 4. Okay, x is equal to 0, therefore y is equal to 4. Okay, next x is equal to
1.
1 ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? Okay. Therefore, y is equal to 5. Okay, now you can plot the graph. Okay, take a graph sheet all of you. Plot a graph, everyone. Abhi, Mandara, Sakshi, Sinchana. Plot a graph. Okay, before plotting the graph, just 1 minute. Here the two equations are, what are the two equations? X plus y is equal to 10. Okay, x plus y is equal to 10. It comes to LHS become minus 10 is equal to 0. X plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. But in this equation, x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Just see these two equations. Okay, x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0, x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, equation 1, equation 2. First, at the side, you can check these equations are consistent or inconsistent or dependent pair of linear equations. Let's check once again. They are dependent or, sorry, they are consistent or inconsistent or dependent pair of linear equations.
Sir, consistent.
Yes, they are consistent. Consistent means A1 by A2, A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. A1 value it is 1 by 1 does not equal to B1 value estidiya pehle 1 divided by B2 value minus 1. Therefore, 1 does not equal to minus 1. Therefore, what is our conclusion? These two equations are consistent. Consistent means the two lines are intersecting each other. Okay, now you can draw the graph. Yes, everyone, draw the graph. You draw ಮಾಡೋ graph ಹೇಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, intersecting ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Okay, they should intersect each other. The two graphs or the two lines should intersect each other. Here in the problem, we are not having negative values. Yes, okay, we are not having negative values. Therefore, maximum value for y it is 10. Maximum value for y it is 10. Just see the graph. Okay, x and y axis, origin -1, -2, this is x dash, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, this is x, and y means -1, -2, y dash enough. Therefore, this is plus y axis. This is y. Okay, what is the first point? Scale you can write. Okay, scale you know, x-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, what is the first point? It is 5. 5 comma 5. X is equal to 5, y is equal to 5. Here x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 5 means this is the point. And second one it is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 10. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 10 means this is the point. Therefore, you can draw the straight line exactly. Okay, through these 2 points. And you can give the names. This is AB. Like this. At the ends, AB. And in the for the second equation, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. Okay, this is the point. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. And x is equal to 1, y is equal to 5. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 5 means you should go towards up 1 2 3 4 5 1 comma 5 and you can draw the graph and through these 2 points like this. This is CD and two lines are intersecting at a point. Therefore, this intersecting point x value is 3 and corresponding y value is 7. Therefore, this is the answer. Okay, this is two equations are lines are intersecting at x is equal to 3, y is equal to 7. At the end of the, you can write the number of boys participating is 3 and